Hi, this is Ram Gopal Verma and congratulations to iDream for reaching 1 million subscribers.
నాకు ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఖచ్చితంగా మీతో చెప్పాలనిపిస్తుంది. అంటే 20 ఏళ్ళు అంటే ఒక చిన్న వయసులో పెళ్లి చేసుకొని ఇక్కడికి రావటం వల్ల అది మీకు బాగా అంటే ఇది కూడా ఒక సపరేట్ స్కూల్ లాగా అయిందేమో నాకు అనిపిస్తుంది. అంటే వాట్ ఆల్ యూ లెర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ అత్తగారు ఆర్ మామగారు యువర్ హస్బెండ్ బికాస్ see that is the age when you learn everything, pick up everything, right? వాళ్ళ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ కూడా 100% మన మీద ఉంటుంది.
200%.
If you get married somewhere 24 or 25, అది different ball game.
But at 18 is a very different thing.
So ఆ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది మీ మీద? ఏమేమి యాక్చువల్గా మీరు నేర్చుకున్నారు, మీరు నిజంగా ఇంబైబ్ చేసుకున్నారు, గతంలో లేని విషయాలు, అర్థం కాని విషయాలు మీ జీవితంలో ఇప్పుడు అడాప్ట్ చేసుకునేవి ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి అవి?
I think through my experience, through my marriage and through the entire journey, I've learned the value of relationships, true relationships, how to maintain them, how to face difficult times, how to support people through difficult times, how to give, you know, the idea of giving to people. I've learned so many soft skills, you know. It can be simple things like how do you host a dinner, how do you treat everybody with maryada, how do you know, it's things that I can't even put down in paper, you know. But I think the girl that I am, the whatever culture that I've imbibed, it's definitely with my mother-in-law and my father-in-law as role models, seeing the kind of maryada that they have. They never rub anybody the wrong way. I've never seen them or my husband meeting people, then once they leave, you know, talking badly behind them or any such negative thing. The only thing that I see is so much of positivity that I want to use that to my advantage. And I also come with a certain different set of skills and a certain different personality. So I feel I get a lot of power when I match all those things and I put it together. I think it comes, it's a very, very dynamic person, and I think that's the reason why you're even interviewing me here today, because of the entire combination of everything that puts me together.
Final ga Sandhya, మీలో ఉన్న ఒక 5 మేజర్ క్వాలిటీస్ కాదు అంటే మీ వాట్ యు ఆర్ అన్నది, ఈ 5టికి మీరు 10కి ఎన్ని మార్కులు వేస్తారో వేసుకోండి. వేసుకున్న తర్వాత విల్ క్లోజ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్.
Can you repeat the question?
ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ యాజ్ అ డాన్సర్, కూచిపూడి డాన్సర్గా మీరు 10కి ఎన్ని మార్కులు వేసుకుంటారు?
6, 7
అంతే.
Definitely ante. Because I have seen dancers, I have seen dance which is like literally like which doesn't belong to this earth. I have seen Kuchipudi dancers who literally look like it's a definition of an apsara or a god or Nataraja dancing in front of you, and I most definitely have not reached that stage.
ఒక నటిగా,
as an actress, I think very, very long way to go.
But still అంటే చేసిన ఒక 5-6లో మీకు అనిపిస్తుంది కదా?
Maybe 4, 5. I have long way to go on that.
Okay, as a wife?
As a wife, I would think 11.
11?
Yes.
రామరాజు గారిని అడగాలి.
He may not agree, but I think I'm 11 on.
You are 11.
I'm 11 on.
ఎందుకు 11 చెప్పండి?
Because I make him laugh. I keep him very happy. I think that's very important, you know, that the day-to-day happiness, you know, he looks so forward to seeing me every day. I'm not a burden for him, you know. We genuinely enjoy spending time together. You know, we genuinely enjoy looking forward to each other's company, and I don't know if I can say that about all husbands and wives. So I think that's an achievement.
ఒక
కూతురుగా maybe so far maybe I would just put myself 5.
అంతే. మీ అమ్మ నాన్నలకి ఏం చేయరు మీరు?
I don't think I have done much for them. They have done a lot for me. I think the time for me to rise up and to do for them has come now. But I should see that. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
మీ కోడలుగా
maybe before my short films and movies, I would definitely say maybe a 10 on 10. But maybe now I think my points should be dropping.
సెన్సెక్స్ పడిపోయిందా?
Sensex I think should be falling because I have been unfair, yes.
మరి ఏం చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారు దానికి ప్రాయశ్చిత్తంగా?
ఏం చేద్దాం అంటే ఏం చేయలేము. ఏం చేయలేము. Yes, only time will tell.
అంతే.
If I can climb back up the ladder. Yeah.
Finally, ఒక woman గా,
Yeah.
what do you think? How responsible you should be towards మీ ఫ్యామిలీకి అలాగే సొసైటీకి?
Yeah, yeah. There I would definitely say a 9 or a 10, definitely. I think it's very important to contribute, especially as a woman. I've now taken over as the president of YFlow Hyderabad. So that's a women's organization. I definitely stand for equality of women, and I think that's what my husband gives me every day. He says you have every right to follow your dream. You know, if you were a boy, nobody would be questioning your dreams right now. There are a lot of boys who don't have the same drive that you do. I don't see anybody questioning those boys. There's nobody here to question you as to what you want to do, and you need to follow your dreams. So I think he's always there guiding me as to what sort of a woman I should be. I think I'm a very good friend. I like to gossip, I like to party, I have lots of friends. I think overall as a woman, I think I have it all, yes.